The locomotive to be rebuilt is taken to the wash rack for a thorough cleaning. All exterior surfaces are grit blasted to remove old paint, grime, and dirt. After grit blasting is completed, the locomotive is taken to the paint shop. All bare metal surfaces are given a coat of primer. The long hood is removed by an overhead crane and set aside. Exhaust manifold assemblies are removed and overhauled. Turbochargers are removed and refurbished. Engine cylinders and pistons are removed and overhauled. The alternator is removed and overhauled. And the engine block is removed and overhauled. New wiring harness is installed to new relays and switches in the electric panels. If necessary, the cab is rebuilt. All airlines and equipment is upgraded. A new control stand is installed. Engine and alternator rebuild includes the latest technology upgrades. Traction motors, axles, and truck frames are overhauled and reinstalled on the locomotive. The locomotive receives finishing touches throughout and is sent to the paint shop. The entire locomotive gets final paint application. Finally, the locomotive is moved to the load test area for final inspection. Here's some samples of Santa Fe rebuilds. Thanks for watching.